Have you ever wondered what it takes to become an astronaut, to break the bonds of gravity and journey into the cosmos? Welcome to Spaceflight, Astronaut Training and Experience. Here, we will traverse the captivating path of becoming an astronaut. From the rigorous selection process to the intensive training programs, we'll delve into the intricate preparation that comes before every spaceflight. But it doesn't stop at the launch pad. We'll also voyage into the awe-inspiring experiences that await astronauts beyond the Earth's atmosphere. From the exhilarating launch, the fascinating life aboard the International Space Station, to the thrilling return to Earth, we'll get a glimpse into the extraordinary life of an astronaut. This journey is not for the faint-hearted. It requires dedication, skill, and a whole lot of courage. So are you ready? Dive with us into the world of astronaut training and experiences. The journey to space starts here on Earth with a rigorous selection process. It's not just about physical fitness, but also mental resilience and a deep-rooted determination. Space agencies like NASA, the European Space Agency, and others have a stringent selection process that takes into account the applicant's education, professional experience, and even their ability to work in a team. Each astronaut has a unique journey, but they all share a common thread, an unyielding desire to venture into the unknown. Some astronauts recall the thrill of receiving their acceptance letter, a moment that marked the beginning of a life-altering journey. Others remember the grueling tests they had to endure, pushing their limits in ways they never thought possible. But as they will tell you, being selected is just the first step. It's an invitation to a world of intense training and preparation, a world where only the most dedicated prevail. The selection process is only the beginning of an astronaut's journey. Once selected, astronauts undergo intense training to prepare for the challenges of space. This training is multifaceted and comprehensive, designed to equip astronauts with the skills and knowledge they will need to thrive in an alien environment. From mastering the intricate systems aboard their spacecraft to learning how to conduct scientific experiments in microgravity, every aspect of an astronaut's mission is rehearsed meticulously. Simulators and training facilities replicate the conditions of space as closely as possible, giving astronauts a taste of what they will experience far from the confines of Earth. Instructors with years of experience guide these spacefarers, imparting crucial knowledge and honing their skills. Their rigorous instruction ensures that when astronauts finally make their journey among the stars, they are well prepared for the demands of their mission. Simultaneously, fellow astronauts share their experiences, offering invaluable insights and advice. Their first-hand knowledge serves as an additional layer of preparation, helping to ensure success in the demanding realm of space. Training prepares astronauts for the unique conditions they will face in space. Physical readiness is crucial for an astronaut's journey into space. To ensure that the astronauts are in peak condition, they undergo a series of medical checks and tests. These assessments are rigorous and extensive, covering everything from cardiovascular health to neurological well-being. Medical specialists play a pivotal role in this process. They monitor the astronauts' health closely, ensuring they can withstand the harsh conditions of space. It's not just about physical fitness, though. Mental health is equally important and is thoroughly assessed. The astronauts themselves also play a crucial part in this process. They must be honest about their health and be proactive in maintaining it. They undergo frequent checkups and tests, even when they're not preparing for a mission. It's a continuous process of ensuring they're always ready for the next space adventure. This stringent medical preparation ensures astronauts are fit for the rigors of spaceflight. It's a vital step in the journey to the stars, confirming that our space explorers are as healthy as they are brave. The moment of launch is a culmination of years of preparation. As the countdown dwindles, anticipation mounts, and the heartbeat of every astronaut syncs with the rhythmic ticking of the clock. This is not just a launch, it's the manifestation of a dream, a testament to human ingenuity. The preparation for launch is a meticulous process, a ballet of precision and coordination. It begins with a pre-launch check where every inch of the spacecraft is examined and every system is rigorously tested. The astronauts then suit up, their bodies clad in specially designed spacesuits that will protect them during their journey to the cosmos. Next, they climb aboard the spacecraft, a capsule about the size of a small car, a cocoon that will carry them beyond the confines of our planet. Strapped in their seats, they run through a final checklist, their voices steady, their minds focused. The hum of the engines, the hiss of the cooling systems, the soft glow of the instrument panels, it's a symphony of sound and light that signals the beginning of their epic voyage. Then, the moment arrives. The final countdown. The engines roar to life and the spacecraft begins to tremble, a beast awakening from its slumber. The astronauts feel the power of the engines, a force that defies gravity, a force that will propel them into the vast expanse of space. As the spacecraft breaks free from the Earth's atmosphere, the astronauts experience a sense of weightlessness, a freedom unlike anything they've known. The world outside their window transforms from a bright, vivid blue to an inky black, dotted with a million twinkling stars. The first few days in space are a whirlwind of activity. There are systems to check, experiments to set up, and a new home to settle into. Amidst the busyness, there's a moment of quiet reflection, a moment when the magnitude of their journey sinks in. They are, after all, a long way from home. The launch is only the beginning of an astronaut's space journey. The adventure, the discoveries, the challenges, and the triumphs. They're all still to come. And as they look out at the stars, they know that they're not just on a journey to space, but a journey into the unknown. Life in space differs greatly from life on Earth. Just imagine you're floating around in a tin can, surrounded by the infinite cosmos, and your daily routine is anything but ordinary. On the International Space Station, or ISS, astronauts have a packed schedule. They work 5.5 days a week, dedicating about 8.5 hours each day to work-related activities. They conduct scientific experiments that are impossible to perform in Earth's gravity, on topics ranging from physics to biology to human biology. They also perform regular maintenance on the ISS, fixing anything that breaks down and ensuring the station remains a safe and functional environment. Leisure time is also a part of life on the ISS, though it's a bit different than what you're used to. Astronauts can watch movies, read books, play musical instruments, or simply gaze out at the Earth below. They can call their families, send emails, and even use social media. All of this while floating weightlessly in their home above the Earth. Adapting to this weightless environment is a challenge. Simple tasks on Earth like eating or showering become complex in microgravity. Imagine trying to catch floating food particles or wash your hair with water that doesn't fall. Astronauts have shared that adapting to this new way of life is both a challenge and a marvel. They often talk about the surreal feeling of floating around the station and the breathtaking view of Earth from the cupola, a windowed observatory module of the ISS. Living on the ISS also has its hardships. Astronauts have to cope with isolation, confinement, and the constant noise from the station's life support systems. Despite these challenges, they often speak about the profound sense of unity and global perspective they gain from living in space. Life on the ISS is a unique experience that only a select few get to experience. It's a life of constant learning, adaptation, and discovery, all while contributing to our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Living in space is truly an out-of-this-world experience. Returning to Earth is a process full of anticipation and challenges. It's not just a simple matter of hopping on a spaceship and cruising back home. It's a complex procedure that starts with the re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. The spacecraft must hit the atmosphere at just the right angle. Too steep and it could burn up. Too shallow and it could bounce off into space. Once the angle is right, the spacecraft separates into modules, with only the re-entry module making it back to our planet. The intense heat of re-entry is countered by a heat shield, and finally, parachutes deployed to slow the descent for a safe landing. Our astronauts often describe this return journey as a roller coaster of emotions, from the adrenaline rush of re-entry to the relief of touchdown. The physical readjustment to Earth's gravity can be a challenge, but the joy of returning home makes it all worthwhile. Returning to Earth marks the end of an astronaut's journey in space, but the memories and experiences last a lifetime. Spaceflight requires incredible dedication, skill, and courage. As we've journeyed through the intricacies of astronaut training and experiences, we've seen the rigorous selection process, the intense training programs, and the detailed medical preparations that spacefarers must endure. We've heard first-hand accounts of the exhilarating launch, the unique life aboard the International Space Station, and the thrilling return to Earth. Each astronaut's journey is a testament to human resilience and curiosity, embodying our innate desire to explore the unknown. Their experiences remind us of the remarkable feats we are capable of when we dare to dream beyond our earthly confines. This exploration has only scratched the surface of what it truly means to be an astronaut. There are countless stories to tell and infinite mysteries to uncover as we continue our foray into the cosmos. Join us next time as we continue unraveling the mysteries of space exploration. Until then, keep looking up.